giving away grab guns in Animal Company. All right, join no PvP. Does anyone want any grab guns? Does anyone want grab? Anyone want these? Anyone want these?
Guys, you actually don't.
Do you want these two? Do you want these two?
I'm red watch.
Red, do you want this?
Doesn't matter. PvP is the same.
Red. Blue.
Subscribe.
You want those?
God bless you.
Okay. Hey, does anyone want free grab guns? Does anyone want free grab guns? Anyone want these for free? Anyone want these for free?
I want a gravity gun. I'll give you a shotgun.
Hey, no, don't do that. Have this for free.
I got this item.
Black king hat.
That's so easy to get. Hey, there's one.
And that was giving away grab guns in Animal Company. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe because I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the beginning of summer break 2025. So yeah,